Hey guys!
Hello!
We're back. We are kayaking, but this time in Maryland. We are at the Dundee Creek Marina. It's right by Gunpowder Falls State Park. They have a couple different areas, but we decided to pop over to the marina this time and check things out.
Yep, it's pretty sweet. We got a little less than an hour before sunset, so we're going to catch a pretty sweet sunset, hopefully. And share that with you guys. It's a little cloudy out, but
yeah, but
it'll be alright.
Not too bad for early spring kayaking weather.
No, it's sweet. It's awesome.
Alright, well,
see you guys soon.
bye!
Bye!
Joe's over here doing a makeshift GoPro safety strap.
That's right.
He wants to make sure that we don't lose the other one.
Heron? A heron. Yeah. So peaceful. I love kayaking. So peaceful. I'm drifting away. So one thing I like about this place is that there's two places that you can go to as far as kayaking. The one place that we went to last time, it literally looked like something from a jungle. I feel like we always go to a place that kind of looks like a jungle, but
it was a water trail. So as long as the water levels aren't too shallow, you can go pretty dang far down the trail. But there are definitely some parts where if it's shallow, you're not getting very far.
Yeah, it was, we were getting stuck a couple places a little bit, you know, from all the, I guess water flowers, I don't know what they're called, water weeds. Getting stuck, and it was pretty cool.
So my favorite part about this location is once you go around the bend that way, there are a bunch of little hidden beaches that you can either fish off of, or during the summer I like to land on them and just chill out, relax, take a break, and sunbathe if it's a nice day. Obviously, we got here pretty late in the day and don't have much time to paddle all the way over there and hang out. So we're just going down a different little alley.
Ruckus. All that ruckus. Megan and I have been debating back and forth about campers.
Oh, yes.
See, I'm all for a camper, and she's against it.
I think
And
they have their time and place.
I was thinking So I was thinking, I'm like, look, I like a camper because you can go different places, do different things that you can't do with a tent. Like, for example, the element is the biggest thing. Like if it starts raining and all that stuff, which I'm cool with being outdoors. I can care less about if it rains or not. But
you sure?
Yeah, and the cool part about a camper is you got a shower and a bathroom, but it's a time and a place for it, which I understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I was thinking about looking into maybe getting one, and then Megan's like, let's wait and see, do our thing. So
I want to take him backcountry backpack camping before we start spending all this money on campers. I want to get a little dirty before we
So there's a new product that we're waiting for to come in. We're gonna do a review on it together. It's for my pickup truck, but
oh shoot,
product review coming soon. And you guys
I forgot you got that.
Yeah, so you guys will just have to wait and see what it is.
Yeah,
It's pretty
we'll
neat.
see if I am okay with it.
Hey, you guys will just have to wait and see what it is, but we're gonna do a product review on it, and I'm excited for it. It's awesome. I can't wait.
It just means we get to take his truck on more adventures than my Jeep. So.
So, all right, well, we're gonna start paddling. We'll catch up with y'all in a bit. Bye.
Oh, hey, nice sticker you got there.
That's right. Soon they're gonna be on a website, and you guys can buy them if you want them. So, wait for that too. Nothing better than watered down Gatorade. I love it. I like watering down my Gatorade. Levels out the sugar levels, and it's not so harsh. Gatorade's awesome, but man, I can't do just regular Gatorade. It's got to be watered down a little bit. It's too much at times for me. But
So, we're waiting on Joe to finish setting up the drone so we can try and get some cool aerial shots of the area. He has this little flotation device for it in case it falls in the water, or if he wants to land it on the water, technically he can do that too. Hasn't tried it out yet, so we will see how that works out for us. Hopefully nothing bad happens. But getting ready.
how I feel about this system.
This will be our first ever kayak drone launch. How you feeling?
Good.
Good?
Got a couple birds coming at us. Trying to investigate to see what the drone is. But it's pretty cool. Getting some awesome shots. Woo! Hello! We'll put this part in.
see it back there?
Maybe. Got her.
Got her.
Got her. All I see is seagulls. Oh my god, no. You crushed it to me.
I got you.
The kayaks that we're in are Pelican Mustang 100s. And then there's an X at the end. So they're pretty sweet. They have, if you like to go fishing, they have these nifty little fishing pole holders in the back. Come by, Megan can show you guys. Oopsies. Right back yonder. And they came with these bags, which we don't really like to use too much. We put our
Because they're
life
not
vests there.
waterproof.
Yeah, so that's the only thing. But and they sit pretty far, pretty high off the water, which is also nice. Another cool thing about them is they have all these like little indents where you can drill a hole to add accessories and stuff like that, like paddle holders and stuff like that. And it's got a phone holder right there. It's pretty neat. And a little compartment in there. So overall, really nice kayaks, and this was a gift from Megan to me. So
I did a lot of research on these kayaks before I bought them. I bought mine for myself the beginning of the pandemic last year because I'd been wanting one for a while. Finally got my Jeep so I could haul a kayak now. And I needed some way to get outdoors and I love being on the water. So a kayak was the perfect thing for me to finally get. And these Pelican Mustangs, they're great beginner kayaks. They're not gonna handle every situation that you're gonna want, but they'll handle most of them.
that was fun. Give me a second.
Joe just paddled full force from like halfway out in the creek.
I'm tired. That was fun. And then I didn't really go anywhere.
I know.
When I came to shore, I thought I was gonna like slide all the way up, and nothing happened.
I started much closer than he did and
Yeah.
got just as far up on shore.
Not everyone's as perfect as you, babe.
Never said I was perfect.
But no, look, it was fun. Our little 5-minute tour of this place we got here.
It was a nice after work adventure.
It was.
We're both a little tired. Joe's had a very long day.
I have.
He worked all day.
Yep. So here is to another and many more to come. We appreciate you guys being with us like always. And we have so much awesome stuff coming up.
So much.
So much awesome stuff.
We're not going to tell you yet.
Nope, we have to wait. But lots of awesome stuff coming up, and
we're really excited about it.
Yeah, super excited. So you guys stay tuned, and hopefully next time we see you guys, we'll be doing that review on the new toy.
So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when we announce what we have coming next.
Yep. See y'all.
Bye.
I'm going here and hunting.